everyone, and welcome to today's sewing tutorial. In this video, let's learn how to create a trendy off-shoulder top. So, let's dive in. Start by cutting your fabric according to the pattern. Be as accurate as possible with your cutting. Precision is key to getting a professional finish. After cutting, trace all necessary markings from the pattern onto your fabric. Take the dart markings and fold them in half along the fold lines. Use a straight stitch to sew along the dart. Repeat this process for both the outer and inner fabric pieces. Once you've sewn the darts, press them flat for a clean finish. Align the front and back pieces of both the outer and inner top. First, serge the side seams of the outer top to join the front and back pieces together. Then, do the same for the inner top. After serging both, press the seams flat to keep the fabric smooth. Now, insert the inner top into the outer top, aligning them at the neckline and side seams, placing them wrong sides together. Once they're aligned, use a straight stitch to join the inner and outer top together at the neckline. Repeat this process along the bottom hem of the top, ensuring that both layers are securely attached. Next, measure and trim the elastic bias tape according to the circumference of the top's waist and neckline. Sew the ends of the elastic bias tape together with a straight stitch to form a continuous loop. Mark the side seam placement on the elastic tape. Then align it with the neckline. Use a straight stitch to attach the elastic tape to the neckline. Once attached, double fold the elastic tape over and top stitch to secure the neckline. Repeat this process for the hem, using the same method to attach the elastic tape. Align your brand label on the back of the top. Use a straight stitch to securely sew the label in place. To give your off-shoulder top a professional finish, give it a final press, making sure all seams and edges are crisp. And there you have it, a chic, off-shoulder top that's perfect for special occasions. This project not only adds a versatile, stylish piece to your wardrobe, but also helps you refine your sewing skills with the unique challenge of working with any furry fabric. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sewing projects. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!